Now, the Mumbai police has imposed Section 144 of the CRPC within Mumbai Commissionerate limits, prohibiting rallies and protest marches involving people and vehicles for the next 2 days starting today. Now, the order has been issued by the Deputy Commissioner of Police and will be in force for the next 48 hours. So, this comes in the backdrop of rising cases of Omicron. Remember, the number of cases have risen to 32 in the state, with 7 new cases of Omicron that have been reported, and Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai amid Omicron threat. And going across to my colleague Alicia for more on this. Alicia, so that's the latest we are learning right now, that Section 144 of the CRPC has been imposed in Mumbai amid rising cases of Omicron. If you could take us through what are the action that the police is likely to take for prohibition of this order, as well as other surveillance measures that have been taken by the Maharashtra government.
Well, we know that there are 3 to 4 cases of Omicron in the city of Mumbai, and now the Mumbai police has already imposed Section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code in the city of Mumbai till tomorrow. It's a weekend prohibition order which is being circulated by the Mumbai police, and which has already been it's already been written in the letter, where the spread of the Omicron and specifically COVID-19 virus, and with the view of the prevent danger to the human life, there is a provision of any rallies or morcha or procession or of either persons or vehicles. So this is specifically in the view of the safety of the people, and if anyone if anyone.
Right. Thanks, Alicia, for getting us all those details. So that's the latest we are learning right now. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai amid rising cases of Omicron. And this Section 144 that has been imposed will remain in effect for the next 2 days starting today. We will keep getting you all those updates.